tahimik ang page mo. Kailan ba ako dapat mag-post? Everyday ba o kapag may promo lang? Matagal ding iniisip ni Ronnie yan. He runs an appliances reselling business. Surplus refrigerators, washing machines, electric fans, and kitchen appliances sourced from reliable suppliers. Okay naman ang mga products niya. Maayos ang presyo, honest na kausap, may bumabalik din customers. So, for most of his first year, ganito lang ang ginagawa niya. Post kapag may bagong stock, promote kapag may sale, then disappear again for weeks, minsan months pa. Yung kanyang Facebook page, it existed, pero kapag may bumibisita, parang walang buhay ang tindahan. Walang mga recent posts, walang updates, walang signs that the business was still active. Kaya isang hapon, napatingin siya sa sarili niyang page at doon niya napansin kung gaano nakatagal ang last meaningful post niya. Almost 9 months. Hindi naman siya nagpanic. He just made one simple decision. Hindi araw-araw siyang magpo-post. Hindi rin sobrang bongga, sobrang elaborate. Just consistent. Every week, one useful post. Minsan, product feature. Minsan, appliance care tip. Minsan, screenshot ng customer feedback. Walang paid ads. Walang big production budget. Just regular presence. Week after week. And within 2 months, may mga bagong nagme-message na. People who found his page while scrolling. And napaisip sila, active pa pala tong negosyo na to. Kita mo na anak, consistency is not glamorous. But for a small business trying to grow beyond its familiar circle, showing up regularly builds trust with the people who don't know you yet. Grow your business, Pinoy? Have you been running your business for years but feel like you're going around in circles? Anak, parang stuck ka, scattered, and you're not quite sure where the next right step is and what it is. So Grow Your Business, Pinoy is a book that gives you a clear step-by-step growth roadmap. It's practical, proven, and built for the realities of running a business in the Philippines. Wala nang guessing, wala nang doing everything and going nowhere. Just a clear path forward. Finally, get your copy now, anak. The link is in the comment section.